driving.
Just driving. I'll keep you posted. So right now, we're at CVS. So cute. So right now we're at the bank. My mom ran in. I have to wait in the car. So apparently when Dixie is by goes do you have anything to say about this?
This is how I drive. Taking the scenic route to the
So it is currently 1:25. We managed to get to the beach. Yeah. It's pretty. We've been here for like 2 hours. Yeah. The water's freezing. It's like we're gonna end up getting hypothermia. It's like that cold. It's really cold. And it's the end of June and the water's cold. Something's wrong with it. And there's a lot of jellyfish, but yeah, it's great. Right over here is a sea turtle nest. It's adorable. We got back from the beach about an hour ago. Now I'm all clean, my hair's all braided. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the rest of this video because we're not gonna be doing anything. I mean, we're gonna probably watch TV and stuff, but that's about it. Alright, so make sure to click the big subscribe button down below and make sure to like this video if you liked it. If you didn't, that's okay. But alright, so stay tuned for more content. Alright, bye. Make sure to give this video I'm sorry. Not sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Feeling so bad, got me feeling so good. I should back about an hour. Swear. How much we could have check.